Factorize x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Answer: multiply this and this, first and last. 15 into x square is 15x square. Split this number by two numbers. 5 3s are 15, x into x square. So that addition of these two numbers we get minus 8x. X square, instead of minus 8x we have to write this: minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 equal to 0. Now take common here. Common is x. Inside x minus 5. Here minus 3 is common. Inside x minus plus minus 3 5s are 15 equal to 0. Take here again x minus 5 is common. Inside x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 5 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 5, take right side, becomes plus 5. X minus 3 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 3, take right side, becomes plus 3. Therefore roots are 5 and 3.